7 benefits of Bacopa minori, Brahmi. Bacopa minori or Brahmi is known as a herb of grace. It is traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine as brain booster. It grows in wet tropical environments and its ability to thrive underwater makes it popular for aquarium use. Bacopa has been used by Ayurvedic medical practitioners for centuries for a variety of purposes, including improving memory, reducing anxiety, and treating epilepsy. In fact, research shows that it may boost brain function and alleviate anxiety and stress, among other benefits. A class of powerful compounds called bacosides in Bacopa are believed to be responsible for these benefits. Here are 7 benefits of Bacopa that are proved by science. Number 1. Bacopa contains powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants protect against cell damage caused by potentially harmful molecules called free radicals. The damage caused by free radicals is linked to many chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Bacopa monnieri contains powerful compounds that have antioxidants effect. For example, bacosides, the main active compound in Bacopa monnieri, have been shown to neutralize free radicals and prevent fat molecules from reacting with free radicals. When fat molecules react with free radicals, they undergo a process called lipid peroxidation. Lipid peroxidation is linked to several conditions such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative disorders. Bacopa may help prevent damage caused by this process. In a study conducted on rats with dementia, Bacopa minori reduced free radical damage and reversed the signs of memory impairment. Number 2. Bacopa minori is anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is your body's natural response to help heal and fight disease. However, chronic, low-level inflammation has been linked to many chronic conditions, including cancer, diabetes, heart and kidney disease. In test studies, Bacopa appeared to suppress the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that stimulate an inflammatory immune response. Also, in other animal studies, it inhibited enzymes that play a key role in inflammation and pain. Studies show that Bacopa has anti-inflammatory effects comparable to those of diclofenac and indomethacin. These two non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are commonly used to treat inflammation. Number 3. Bacopa is nootropic. It may boost brain function. Research suggests that Bacopa may help to enhance brain function. In a study in mice, supplementing with Bacopa improved their spatial learning and ability to retain information. The same study also found that it increased dendritic length and branching. Dendrites are parts of nerve cells in the brain that are closely linked to learning and memory. Additionally, a 12-week study in 46 healthy adults observed that taking 300 mg of Bacopa daily significantly improved the speed of processing visual information, learning rate, and memory compared with the placebo treatment. Another 12-week study in 60 older adults found that taking either 300 mg or 600 mg of Bacopa extract daily improved memory, attention, and the ability to process information. Number 4. Bacopa reduces ADHD symptoms. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder or ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder that is characterized by symptoms like hyperactivity, impulsivity, and inattentiveness. Research has shown that Bacopa may help reduce ADHD symptoms. In another study on 31 children aged 6 to 12 years, found that taking 225 mg of Bacopa extract daily for 6 months significantly reduced ADHD symptoms such as restlessness, poor self-control, inattention, and impulsivity in 85% of the children. Similarly, another study in 120 children found improved ADHD symptoms like attention, cognition, and impulse control. Number 5. Bacopa is adaptogen. It prevents anxiety and stress. Bacopa may help prevent anxiety and stress. It is an adaptogenic herb, meaning that it increases your body's resistance to stress. Research found that Bacopa reduces stress and anxiety by elevating your mood and reducing levels of cortisol, a hormone that is closely linked to stress levels. One study concluded that Bacopa has anti-anxiety effects comparable to those of lorazepam, which is a prescription medication used to treat anxiety. A couple of 12-week studies on humans found that taking 300 mg of Bacopa daily significantly reduced anxiety and depression scores in adults. Number 6. Bacopa lowers blood pressure. Research suggests that Bacopa may help keep blood pressure within a healthy range. In one animal study, Bacopa reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. It did this by releasing nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels, resulting in improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. Another study showed that Bacopa significantly lowered blood pressure levels in rats that had elevated blood pressure, but it had no effect in rats that had normal blood pressure. Number 7. Bacopa has anti-cancer properties. It is proven by studies that active class of compounds in Bacopa minori has been shown to kill aggressive brain tumor cells and inhibit the growth of breast and colon cancer cells. Bacopa also induces skin and breast cancer cells death. Bacopa has high level of antioxidants and compounds like bacosides that may be responsible for its anti-cancer properties. Bacopa is considered safe, but it may cause side effects in some people. It may cause digestive problems including nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. It is not recommended for pregnant women. It may interact with certain medications. If you are taking any medications, speak to your healthcare provider before taking Bacopa. It's available in several forms, including capsules and powders. This is it guys for today's video. Give it a thumbs up and share with others. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.